All right, Andre and I are out in Clapboard Creek. It is Wednesday, the 31st. We're pre-fishing for the Wednesday night tournament tomorrow, so trying to make this into a 2-day video, and hopefully we catch some fish. It's super windy, tide's coming in. It's 4 p.m., low tide was at 3 p.m., so he's throwing a gold rattle trap. He's trying to catch some big trout, and I'm gonna start off with the prawn stars, but I can almost guarantee it's gonna be too windy, so I'm sure I'll get a different one in here in a second. See you guys soon. All right, Houdini's paddle tail, minnows, 1/4 ounce jig head. I did one cast with the prawn stars and realized that that was not gonna work, so here we are. Second. Just sort of troll down to all those. There should be some trout right in here where those two water things meet, you know? You know one thing I don't like that I wish I had? You remember how my other one I could turn that thing around? The Simrad, the Garmin?
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
No.
Yeah, I will say this Beyond braid, I've gotten way more wind knots with.
Oh, yeah?
Yep, and I've also had a harder time, like, yeah, it just gets wind knots easier, I don't know, than the Power Pro. I mean,
Just mention it. I do get quite a few of them. That's how I ended up losing like half my spool.
I wasn't getting them like I do now on Power Pro.
But this though, it's lasted a lot longer than Power Pro though.
Yeah, I mean, I will say Power Pro is twice the amount of money. I can do 2 spools with one of these, you know what I mean?
Yeah.
Power Pro is 20 bucks for 1 spool, so. Oh, he's going. I don't think I can cast that far yet. But we got the wind with us today, buddy.
Is that a red?
Yeah. 100% it is. Here, I think I can make it up there now. Oh no. He's just moving real slow. It might be a stingray, bro.
Yeah, that's what I said. I kind of feel like those are fins flopping.
No.
Oh wait, that is a red.
That's a red. Nice.
All right. Oh, I'm stuck. That sucks. No. Oh, and I spooked him probably. Yeah, it's on me.
Well, we got this oyster bed. There's a lot of oyster beds over here.
Flatty.
Oh, man. All right, so far, Andre changed up to a paddle tail. Which color is it?
Purple.
Purple paddle tail. Minnows?
Yeah.
Minnows.
I
hooked in. Oh, yeah. I hooked into a flatty. Lost it about right after I set the hook, but we could see it come up on a mud flat. Bunch of little reds. Mullet jumping. We're working some oyster beds. Trout. We got the skunk off the boat though. They must be stacked up over there. I just got a hit too. Well, I probably shouldn't have horsed him in like that, you know what I mean? That might have been my fault. Well, I guess they're right there, huh? You want me to anchor us? All right, little trout on the Houdini. Probably 13 inches, something like that. He gave me the old double tap. More. All right, catch and release flounder for all you animal lovers out there. All right, finally back in action after some camera malfunctions, but just caught that flounder. Andre just got a trout bite. We're still looking for our redfish, but we're gonna get it done. We're gonna find a redfish here soon. We're fighting the wind, and we're working it slow and steady. But that's 2 flounder for the day. I didn't catch the first one, but they're here. All right, see y'all soon. All right, we have moved spots. We're gonna work out, hit some grass lines, some little creek mouths, stuff like that. Maybe we can get keeper flounder, redfish hopefully, and then we'll head home. But we're trying. Redfish magic, same paddle tail, 80 Z-Man minnows. See what she can do for me, huh? You want me to get the net? That's what I'm talking about. Might be a black drum.
Bro, look at the way my rod goes. Nasty. I don't know what to do.
I don't know, but take it easy on him. Can't afford to lose him. We cannot afford it. I only got this little net.
Hey, you're gonna make it work.
I think I'm gonna try and move us over a little bit because I think the current's gonna make it way harder for you. Just like 10 yards that way. Because he's already behind you, you know what I mean?
Yeah.
We're moving back with him right now, just so you know, all right?
All right. Let's go.
Oh,
go.
There we go.
Let's go. Oh, that might be a PB, bro. Man. Bro, get the tape.
Video up and down, or you want me to?
Yeah, do it up and down and then turn one to the side. Sounds like you have for both. Same thing that happened last time. There you go, another one. That's right there too.
Yeah?
Yeah, that's a slot.
Dang, bro.
Oh, you figured something out, man.
Nice.
Yeah, that could be around 25 right there. Well, I ain't even recording.
Think it's slot?
I'm starting to second guess. It's got some nasty head shakes on it too.
Come on.
Let's go. Let's go. That's a nice flounder or a nice trout, ain't it?
Flounder, big flounder.
Big flounder? Oh, I would have got the net for you.
I should have got the net, bro. We need it.
Yeah.
That's for sure.
Hey, we figured it out, man. We know where to go now. We know what to do. Getting rocks at the docks.
I knew it on that gold spoon, bro.
Yeah.
I love that thing.
What? I broke my rod.
All right, well, into the pre-tournament day. Andre just caught another big red. I ran the boat into the rocks. He broke his rod. I might have up the trolling motor. We'll see. But at least we found some fish. I lost a pretty big flounder there at the end.
Yeah.
That would have been pretty good. And on the bright side, that rod was only $40-something, right? So, or 50 bucks.
Yeah.
So at least it was an expensive one.
Yeah. I was thinking about bringing the custom out today too.
Good thing you didn't do that. Bring the custom tomorrow. We'll not run into the rocks tomorrow. All right, tournament day. Yesterday we tried our best, figured some things out. We're gonna go try and figure it out again today. Get us some slot fish. It doesn't matter what. Slot fish, maybe a 28-inch flounder too, since they don't have a slot. You know what I mean? That'd really do it for us.
Oh yeah. I didn't know they ain't have a slot.
No.
Okay, hell yeah.
14's the lower on that, baby.
Nice.
We're gonna catch a North Atlantic halibut. All right, first bait for me, chartreuse, curly tail, on the spoon. I'm looking for flounder and redfish. Andre's throwing the rattle trap. Am I over you? That looked like a Spanish. Man, I want to catch one, but I also don't want to sit here, you know what I mean?
Yeah. Should be coming in by now.
Oh, I'm on.
Yes, sir.
You want to get the net? Bro, I'm off.
Damn.
Hopefully it's a speck. Speck? You gonna flip him?
Oh, where's the net?
I got you. I'll just keep. Okay.
Nice. Let's go.
I'm gonna cast over there, bro.
Yeah, go ahead and get up in there. Just throw him right in that second little breeze wave, you call it. Overslot.
You think so?
Overslot.
You want me to anchor us up?
Yeah. Well, actually, hold on. There's potential.
Yeah.
This could be 25. Wait a minute.
All right, I'm gonna come get the net, bro.
Yeah.
I think
I think this might be 27. Come here, please.
Okay. I knew I shouldn't have went for him that time. Come on. Spin him towards.
I think that might be in the money, bro. I think that might be in the money, bro.
You want to bring the ruler up here?
I've never been so excited to measure a fish in my life. Actually, never mind. That might be over.
No, I don't know, bro. I don't know. Very close. Very close.
Oh, 28.
Oh my gosh.
All right, well.
All right, I'm gonna keep working us. Red or trout?
Red.
All right, I got the net.
Oh no, flounder. That is crazy, bro. That is crazy. A flounder on a rattle trap. Oh,
no, come on. Bro, I'm telling you, you're tearing them up, bro. I can't catch a dang thing.
I'm just excited I got that shit on the rattle trap.
Yeah,
bro.
that is crazy, bro. I told you this is a flounder spot, bro.
Yes, sir.
Having these fuckers
What's the
out of
team?
here.
Andre. Andre, 2 fish.
Hell yeah, buddy.
Word for a second.
244.
Nah, that looked like 5 for a second.
Appreciate
Y'all turn around, they'll take a picture. Rosa, you got picture duty? Pinstripes.
Stand over here a little bit, guys. Yes, sir.
Thank you, guys.
Thanks for watching, everybody. Definitely a learning experience. I'm glad we caught 2 fish that we were able to take to the weigh-in. We're definitely going to be doing it again, and we'll see you guys out there. As always, like, comment, subscribe. Let me know what you guys think.